morning, everyone. I'm Dan Chester A. Rosauro. Today, we're going to talk about what is love is. You like topic like that. You excite and then assume. Love is not only felt between lovers, whether boyfriend or girlfriend, husband or wife. It's not just about those who love each other. When you have a relationship, you think you're together until the end, but it's not. Sometimes we think that when we love, we feel it, but it's not because sometimes other people just make us feel it. To give you what you want, and then after that, they leave you. The word love is not just a word that is felt, it is a feeling that anyone wants to give them, especially the ones you love in life most. All of us are learning Italy because of love. For example, if you're being paid, it's okay as long as he loves you. Real love is a deep and tender feeling of affection characterized by intimacy, passions, and also commitment. It involves selfless, care connection, and a desire to other person's well-being.